Hello, you're welcome. If you watched my last video about the open work permit, you are probably asking, how do I actually get a letter of support from a Canadian designated organization? Today, I will show you exactly how. But first of all, what is the letter of support? It is an official document from one of the following. 1. A designated venture capital fund. 2. A designated angel investor group. Or a designated business incubator. Without this document, your application for the startup visa cannot even move forward. It proves that a Canadian organization believes in your business potential and is willing to back it. The organization will also send a committee certificate directly to IRCC in tandem with your letter of support. Who can issue the letter of support? Only designated organization approved by IRCC can issue the letter. These include venture capital funds, minimum 200,000 Canadian dollar investment. 2. Angel investor groups, minimum 75,000 Canadian dollar investment. Then, the business incubators that accept you into that program. So, how do you identify the right organization? Use the official IRCC list of designated organizations. Match your business idea with the organization focus. So what are the steps to get a letter of support? 1. Prepare a strong business plan that is innovative and scalable. 2. Reach out with a professional pitch. 3. Include financial plan, team details, and market research. Follow up politely and consistently. Tips to increase your approval chances. 1. Highlight unique value proposition of your startup. Show proof of execution like prototypes and early clients. 3. Demonstrate ability to create jobs in Canada. And also, common mistakes to avoid are applying to organizations that don't match your sector. 2. Weak business plan or vague pitch. 3. Not following instructions on IRCC website. Also, you should note that even from now to December 31st, 2026, each designated organization is limited to endorsing only 10 complete group applications per year, which is up to 5 applicants per group. It's going to be first come, first served. So, timing is everything. My final advice concerning securing a letter of support is that this is the most vital first step for your startup visa journey. It means your idea has been recognized by Canada's entrepreneurial ecosystem. But remember, be selective, target organization aligned with your domain. Prepare meticulously, especially your pitch, business model, and your team should shine. Also, act fast. Annual caps are tight. Delays can derail your plan. You can also use the letter strategically. Apply within the 6-month window and include all required documents. So, if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share to others that might need this. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video.